heart to grieve, and let the tears flow free. I know not how to bear this weight. O God, instruct thou me.
Fair memories haunt these empty rooms, and silence calls their name. I bring my pain, my questions deep, yet thou upholds the same.
Through every flame of sorrow's fire, thy hand still holds me fast. I grieve, yet not without a hope, nor am I left at last.
This burden presses heavy, Lord. I know not how to stand. Yet in the night that wraps my soul, thou never leaves my hand.
When pain tears deep within my breast, and darkness seems to reign, thou art the one who will not leave, and makes the broken whole again.
Though grave may feel like endless night, thy hope shall bear me through. The God who conquered death itself will keep me ever true.
So teach this heart to grieve aright, and rest beneath thy care. For thou art near the broken ones, and hear'st their every prayer.